सौभाग्यं जगतां यस्य वामे वपुषि वर्तते तद्धाम शाश्वतं भूयात् भूयसे श्रेयसे मम. So we looked at the Vyakarana Visheshas until this one. No. I think I have to start from here. Gunavriddhi pratyaya yuktaha we finished. Dasha diganta vikhyata bhuma. Until that we finished. We have to start with Ahimakara pada sanchara yogyam. Okay, who wants to do first? Yeah.
Okay, I will do. Na himaha ahimaha ahimaha karaha yasya saha ahimakaraha ahimakarasya padaha ahimakarapadaha ahimakarapadanam sancharaha ahimakarapada ahimakarapada yogya ahimakarapada sanchara yogya tam ahimakarapada sanchara yogya.
Okay. Padanam sancharaha sancharasya yogya is also fine. I took it as this way. That's all. Sancharasya yogya.
Sancharasya
Padanam yogya. Tathapi.
Okay. Okay.
Both are fine. Next one. Vitanvan.
वितन्वन् वि उपसर्गपूर्वक तनु विस्तारे तनादिः उभयपदी शत्रुप्रत्यय पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन.
Okay. तरल मराल पक्ष विक्षेपैः.
तरलाः च ते मरालाश्च तरलमरालाः तरलमरालानां पक्षाः तरलमरालपक्षाः तरलमरालपक्षानां विक्षेपाः तरलमरालपक्षविक्षेपाः तैः तरलमरालपक्षविक्षेपैः.
Okay, super. Next. दुर्विषः वज्रानल.
दुर् उपसर्ग दुर् प्लस वि प्लस शः मर्षणे द्वादि आत्मनेपदी प्लस खल् प्रत्यय. That's what I saw.
दुःखेन विषह्यते इति दुर्विषः. Simple. But that's good. Yeah.
Okay. How do you know it's not ach, khal or ach? How do we know the difference between them?
I have no clue about all these things. இது வந்து please look at Vyakarana videos. I have no clue about that. நான் ஏதோ ஓரளவுக்கு தான் I keep moving my knowledge of Vyakarana. இதுக்கு மேல you have to go over each and every verb there, which will apply, which will not apply and all that. So yeah.
वज्रस्य अनलः वज्रानलः महान् ऊष्मा महोष्मा वज्रानलः इव महोष्मा वज्रानल महोष्मा.
But there was one issue with Ushma and Ushma. There was a difference between the two I saw in Kosha. Hold on.
Ushmaha is also, I saw both Ushman and Ushmaha, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but that Ushman was something different.
Grishma Kala or something.
Grishma Kalaha. Atra tu Grishma Kalaha nasti iti. Right? So it is only the heat that we are. No, Ushma was more like vapor or heat. That's why I was a little concerned about that. So Ushman is also breathing, that Grishma Kala, breathing, etc. So there is also heat, which is also correct. Okay, fine. So both are right.
Okay.
Nakaranta and Akaranta.
Okay. Durvishah Vajranala Mahoshma. Durvishah Vajranala Mahoshmana Santapita. Durvishah Vajranala Mahoshma Santapita. Tam Durvishah Vajranala Mahoshma Santapitam.
Okay.
Vijayan. Next.
Vijayan, yes.
Vi ईज गति कुत्सनयोः द्वादिः.
Okay.
आत्मनेपद निजन्त रूपे शत्रु पुल्लिंग प्रथमा इति.
Okay. मंडूक
वाचां बन्धः वाग्बन्धः मंडूकानां वाग्बन्धः मंडूकवाग्बन्धः मंडूकवाग्बन्धस्य मान्त्रिकः मंडूकवाग्बन्ध मान्त्रिकः.
Bandhana is there. So Mandukanam Vak Mandukavak. Mandukavachah bandhanam vagbandhanam. So, vagbandhane mantrikaha. Mandukanam
वाचान् बन्धः
bandhanam.
वाग्बन्धः
So, vacham bandhanam, first of all. So, there is a this thing there, correction. So, it's not just bandha. Bandhanam, it should be, I think.
बन्धनम् ओके
Mandukanam, vagbandhanam. I think both are fine.
मण्डूक
Yeah, both are fine. No worries. Yeah.
ओके नेक्स्ट सौदामन्याः नृत्तः सौदामनी नृत्तः
Nrittam.
सौद ओ नृत्तम्
Napumsakalinga.
ओके सौदामनी नृत्तस्य कालः सौदामनी नृत्तकालः सौदामनी नृत्तकालस्य अवधिः सौदामनी नृत्तकालावधिः
That's it.
नेक्स्ट
Shiryamana.
शीर्यमाणाः जलदाः यस्मिन् सः शीर्यमाणजलदः तस्मिन्
Okay.
शीर्यमाणजलदे
Okay. Yasmin saha tasmin. Sharat samaya. Okay.
श्रूहिंसायाम् I didn't do that. Okay.
It's just. Shiryamana is Shanach, so I thought I'll just put it in. That's all. Nothing else.
Okay,
Tamyats
okay.
the same way is Shatru Pratyaya. So I just
तम
put that in.
काङ्क्षायां दिवादिः परस्मै शत्रु ओके देन् ताम्यन्ती तटित् यस्मिन् सः ताम्यत् तटित् तस्मिन् ताम्यत् तटिति
Okay. Next. Yeah, finish off this paragraph and from the 11th, somebody else get.
ओके मदेन मन्थराः मदमन्थराः मदमन्थराः सिन्धुराः यस्मिन् मदमन्थरसिन्धुरः सिन्धुराः
Sinduraha,
तस्मिन्
right. Sinduraha, Sharat Samayaha.
तस्मिन् मदमन्थरसिन्धुरे करेक्ट् ओके
Correct.
विकस्वरः विवस्वान् यस्मिन् सः विकस्वर विवस्वान् विवस्वान् विकस्वर विवस्वान् तस्मिन् विकस्वर विवस्वति नेक्स्ट परिणमति परिणमु प्रह्वत्वे दैट्स व्हाट आई सॉ प्रह्वत्वे व्हाट इज
Prahvam is Namra Bhava, is Prahva Bhava.
Oh,
You're
okay.
going down. Namra again goes back to Nama, right? It's a cyclic
correct.
thing. So that's why.
they gave prahva. Okay. Prahvat
Prahvatve Bhadi Shat.
लिंग परिणमति सप्तमी एकवचन परिणमति सति
Next is
दिशां विजयः दिग्विजयः कुतूहलस्य भावः कौतूहलं कौतूहलम् अस्य अस्ति इति कौतूहली इनि प्रत्यय देन् दिग्विजये कौतूहली दिग्विजय कौतूहली
Next.
देन् उदमना इष्ट उद्गतं मनः यस्य सः उन्मनाः इव आचरति इति लट्लकारे उन्मनायते इति भवति क्यङ् प्रत्ययः तस्य लुङ् लकारे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचन उन्मना इष्ट
So it's difficult, no? If we hadn't read Kuvalyananda, where we were more familiar with the Namadhatu in the first one,
correct.
If you remember Upama, that is where this Kyang and Kyach comes into a lot.
Correct.
Right? In Luptopama.
correct
So it becomes easier. Next person, someone else. Yeah. Avicchinnamada Jaladhara.
न विच्छिन्नम् अविच्छिन्नं
Why Avicchinnam in Napumsakalinga? Where is it an adjective to? You're putting it as an adjective to? Oh, Jalam. Okay. I put it with Dhara eva tatra avichinna iti. Jalam avicchinnam nasti. Jalasya dhara eva avichinna. So which is continuous here? The water is continuous or the flow of the water is continuous?
Flow you putting, okay. Madasya jalam, madajalam, avicchinnam madajalam, avicchinnam madajalam, I've put it, and then avichinna madajalasya dara. Yes,
Okay.
like that.
So avichinna, so na vichinna avichinna, madasya jalam madajalam madajalasya dhara madajala dhara, avichinna madajala dhara yasya saha tam varanendram. Okay.
Okay. निर्जरः निर्जरः स उद्गारः इति
निर्जराणाम् उद्गारः
निर्जराणाम् उद्गारः निर्जारि उद्गारैः सह वर्तते इति तत् विन्ध्यगिरिम्.
ओके, सो निर्जरोद्गारेण सह वर्तते स निर्जरोद्गारः तं विन्ध्यगिरि. Okay.
Only one nirjara udgara. I put it as
no. Nirjaranam udgaraha. Udgaraha is an action of just coming out. So I took it as singular. That's fine. You can take it as plural also. No worries.
Pinashmi iti pishlu sanchurnane iti himsayam cha iti rudhadi ganadatuhu parasmaipadi latlakare uttama purushe ekavachanam. Because it's the elephant saying that. Vikirantam vi upasargah kru vikshepe iti tudadiganah parasmaipadi dhatu shatru pratyantam ditya ekavachanam.
Okay.
Pullinge. अनन्तरं विकिरन्तं कम्बलः अस्ति अवलम्बिन् कम्बलम् अवलभिधातुः अवस्रंसने इति शब्दे च इति आत्मनेपदी निनि प्रत्ययान्तः
अवलम्बितुं शीलम् अस्य इति अवलम्बि कम्बलः. ओके.
अवलम्बिन् इति प्रातिपदिकं. पार्श्व इति स्पृश संस्पर्शने इति तुदादिगणः. ओके. उभयपार्श्वावलम्बी उभये पार्श्वे अवलम्बी.
So ubhaya cannot have dvivachanam.
Yeah.
It cannot have so ubhaye parshve is in vidva saptami. Okay, so ubhayam parshvayoho iti ubhaya parshvam. Ubhaya parshve avalambi ubhaya parshvavalambi.
Avalambi.
Okay.
Varnah kambalah iti varna kambalah. Ubhaya parshvavalambi varna kambalah. Ubhaya parshvalambi varna kambalah iti bhavati.
Tadanantaram
अनन्तरं
मिषात् इत्यस्ति.
मिषम् इति तत्र मिष स्पर्धायाम् इति तुदादिगणधातुः क प्रत्ययान्तशब्दः मिषम् इति भवति. उभयपार्श्वावलम्बी वर्णकम्बलः एव मिषं तस्मात् इति भवति.
कम्बलस्य मिषम्.
ओ कम्बलः एव मिषं न कम्बलस्य मिषं वा?
कम्बलस्य मिषम्.
I also did कम्बलस्य मिषम्.
कम्बलस्य मिषेण तत्र बेटर् न नेक्करे. या
கம்பலஸ்ய மிஷம் வை
அதனுடைய அப்படின்னு அந்த ஒரு வியாஜத்தில் அதன்
வியாஜ
தஸ்ய வியாஜேன இது.
The overall mission is for it to have wing to fly, and that is not a kambalasya mission, right?
கம்பலஸ்ய வியாஜாத் கம்பளம் ஏவ வியாஜம்ங்கிறது ஓகே, பட் யூஷுவலி we always make it like கம்பலஸ்ய மிஷம் இத்தியவ கம்பளமேவ வியாஜம் இதி ந அதனுடைய ஒரு டிஸ்கைஸ்ல இந்த டிஸ்கைஸ் ஆஃப் எ கம்பல.
ऐरावतस्य विजयः ऐरावतविजयः उद्गमने इच्छा उद्गमन इच्छा ऐरावतविजये उद्गमन इच्छा तया.
ओके.
सप्तमी.
इट्स् नाट् ऐरावतस्य विजयः.
ऐरावतं
विजयते इति ऐरावत विजयः.
So ऐरावतस्य विजयः can be in either the winning of Airavata or the conquering of Airavata. Whether Airavata is winning there or Airavata is being conquered. Both can occur. Vijaya is a very
abhibhave api cha. Okay.
Jaye api. It's a tough one. Confusing one. Yeah.
So then what did you want to say? If you don't want to be confusing, if you want to be clear, what should we say?
Airavatam vijayate iti airavata vijayaha iti. As a sentence itself.
Upapada samasah.
Yeah, I
but
was
you
thinking,
can't make,
is it upapadasam?
You can't do it in Dvitiya Vibhakti, and I don't know how it can be
we have
like that.
that with Icha is there. Airavata Vijaye Udgamana Icha. That is what we are doing finally.
Airavata Vijayasya Udgamanam and then Airavata Vijayodgamanasya Icha. That's what.
All right, but what she is saying is, Shankari is saying is, if you have already won Airavatam, then how can you have an Icha later? So that is why she says Upavada Samasa, then it becomes that Airavatam Vijayate iti. So, which means he has already won over, conquered Airavata. Instead of that, Airavatasya Jayaha, either the conquering or the winning of conquering of Airavata. He has a desire towards that. That's all. Okay?
Okay.
That's fine. Next, someone else has worked on this. Swati. Yeah. Tribhuvana Punya Druma Pushpastabakena.
Trayanam Bhuvananam Samahara Tribhuvanam, and then Punyam cha Drumaha cha Punyadrumaha. Tribhuvanasya Punyadrumaha, Tribhuvana Punyadrumaha. Pushpam cha Stabakaha cha Pushpastabakaha. Tribhuvana Punyadrumasya Pushpastabakaha, Tribhuvana Punyadruma Pushpastabakaha Tena.
Okay. Tribhuvanasya Punyam. Punyam eva drumaha. The punyam is a tree which is then has flowers. Drumasya pushpani. Pushpanam stabakam tena. Okay? Next.
Ripu Kamalolasa Virati Mriganka Bimbena. Ripavaha eva Kamalani, Ripu Kamalani. Ripu Kamalanam Ullasaha, Ripu Kamalolasaha. Ripukamalollasasya viratihi, Ripukamalollasa viratihi. Then
Mrigankasya
Mriganka bimbam, Mrigankasya bimbam, Mriganka bimbam. Ripukamalollasa viratihi cha Mriganka bimbam cha Tena.
So anga vandu viratyai mriganka bimbahana, there is this vyakyanam that says that viratihi and mriganka bimba cannot be samanadhikaranyam. Adu ullasasya viratehe mriganka bimba, you can do shashti, which is easy. Okay, which is the simplest of all. There was this Viratyai which is mentioned in our Chittur book. So that's why I put the fourth case. In the action of Virati, he is like a Mriganka Bimba.
Viratyai in Chaturthi, right?
Huh?
Viratyai would be in Chaturthi, right?
Chaturthi, yes.
So the Mriganka Bimba that is used, that leads to the Virati, right?
Tadartham.
Tadartha.
Tadartham, okay.
Varlam, abdin. Okay. Vyotayan.
Next is not Bahunarapati. Okay.
Panlame. But Vyotayan potrike. If you have that, then just.
Dyut Thatu, Dyutim Deeptau, Nich and then Shatru, Vadikanaha. And then
Bahunarapati.
Bahavaha cha Narapatayaha cha Bahunarapatayaha.
Okay. Naranam patayaha, narapatayaha, bahavaschate narapatayaha. Okay.
Bhujanam Shikaraha, Bhujashikaraha.
Okay.
Bhujashikaranam Arohanam, Bhujashikararo.
Where is the Bahu Narapati coming in? It has to come there. Teshameva Bhujaha. Hello? So Bahu Narapatinam Bhujaha. Apro Bhujanam Shikarani. Then Shikaranam Arohanam. Till then you've done.
Bhujanam Shikarani va. Bhujaha eva Shikarahana va.
No. Bhujanam Shikarani, the top portion of the shoulder.
Oh, I think I Yeah, I left at Bahunarapati part. Now I started going.
ஓகே ஸோ சிகராணாம் ஆரோகணம் அப்புறம் ஆரோகணேன
Tritiya ayasah.
ஓகே
भुजशिखरारोहणायासेन स्वेदिनी अदुं तृतीया पूर्ति.
हा सो स्वेदः देन् स्वेदः अस्याः अस्ति इति स्वेदिनी आयासेन स्वेदः भवति तादृशस्वेद एव तस्यां वर्तते मेदिन्याम्
Okay.
और आयासेन स्वेदिनी डायरेक्टाவும் போடலாம்
And then I put
because
tam.
tam yes tam varnam I didn't put that okay I'll correct in my text okay tam varnam yes because it is in dvitiya ekavachana samashvasayan
And then what is the next one?
samashvasayan
Some upasarga ang श्वस् प्राणने इति अदादिः निच् कर्तरि लङ् परस्मैपदम्.
शत्रु प्रत्ययम् इति
Oh, right.
शत्रु पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्
Okay.
अधिरूढः
अधि रुह् धातु अन्त प्रत्यय कृदन्तरूपाणि आदिगणः.
ओके निरगात्
निरुपसर्ग इन् गतौ इति अदादिगणः कर्तरि लुङ् परस्मैपदम्.
oh this is 1 okay illa 3 tane illa 1 prathama purusha ekavachanam okay samuttungamatangadirudah
Okay. सम्यक् उत्तङ्गः समुत्तुङ्गः.
okay
समुत्तुङ्गः च मातङ्गः च समुत्तुत्तङ्गमातङ्गः.
இல்ல
समुत्तुत्तङ्गमातङ्गं
சமுத்துங்க தான் ரெண்டு கிடையாது சமுத்துங்க
sorry समुत्तुङ्गमातङ्गः समुत्तुङ्गमातङ्गम् अधिरूढः द्वितीय तत्पुरुषम्.
yes perfect सकल शास्त्र पारदृश्वा
सकलानि च तानि शास्त्राणि च सकलशास्त्राणि सकलशास्त्राणां
that samutungam matangस्य अधिरूढः, right?
मातंगम अधिरूढः
Can we
प्राप्त
Shita Atita Prapta. In that is it there Adhi?
अधिरूढः okay then मातंगस्य अधिरूढः एव okay
Why this is adhirudah artham is also there, right? That it is not dvitiya tatpurusha, it has to become a shashti.
because the words there for dvitiya are not there ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க गम्यादीनाम् अपि उपसंख्यानम् इत्यस्ति so you can take that
Correct.
गमी தான் இருக்கு गम्यादीनाम् गमी अन्नम बुभुक्ष ग्रामम गमी அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு so it only says सुप्सुपा इति वर्तते तस्य विशेषणमिदं श्रितादयः श्रितादिभिः समस्यते श्रित अतीत पतित गत अत्यस्त प्राप्त आपन्न these are the 7 words that are allowed correct so तेन स्वयं no marad you're right so we need shashti only here so shesha shashti da varum matangasya adhirudah or matange adhirudah parlama
Yoga Vibhaga.
ha saptami iti right
Saptami at least sounds better than shashti.
yeah ana the adhirudah adhi you can't have saptami there
Dvitiya only. So then adhi is there, so that means we can make it into dvitiya.
நம்ம மாட்டுக்கு போட்டுக்க முடியாது சேஷ ஷஷ்டி is safer option than anything else so we'll do that sakala Sakalani Shastrani. Sakala Shastrani. Next. Param.
Sakala Shastranam Param, Sakala Shastra I was just looking how that Shashti came. I was not able to understand that.
Idliya Samuttunga Matangam. So because the Sutram for Dvitiya Tatpurusha lists out only 7 words in Taprateya. So Shrita, Atita, Patita, Atyasta in the Madri. Since this word is not there in that list, we have to go for a non-controversial sutram, which is Shesha Shashti.
Fall back.
But meaning wise, this sounds.
Definitely, it sounds better. Samarthav Padavidihi in Edikkarche, most of these will be covered there. Okay? Anything that is not explained by Sutra, but you want to do it only in that particular this thing, then it's okay. You can do it as Matangam Adhirudaha. That's fine. Nobody is going to catch you and penalize you. That's fine. But the thing is, if you want to be extremely clear and extremely true to Vyakarana Shastram, then you need Shashti here instead of it. So, meaning takes over, illa Vyakarana Shastram takes over, inge question. I would prefer to have it as Dvitiya, but just to be on the safe side, we will have it as Shashti.
Sakala Shastranam Param, Sakala Shastra Param.
Paradrishva modala podanonu nanikkaren. Param Drishtavanla.
That one also I had wrote Sakala Shastra Param Drishtavan iti Sakala Shastra Paradrishva. Pratyaya.
So Paradrishva Kwanip, yeah? Whether the Kwanip can have earlier this thing or not. Drishe Kwanip. Drisher Dhatoho Karmani Upapade. Upapade can be anything. It can have 1 or 2 or many. So you can have both. So essentially you can have Sakala Shastranam Param, Sakala Shastra Param, Sakala Shastra Parasya Param Drishtavan, Sakala Shastra Paradrishva is also fine. Or we can do this way also, wherein you do Paradrishva first and then bring in as a Shashti Tatpurusha. Yeah.
Ma'am, if we can do, in case if we take Bahuvrihi here.
Why?
Radha, okay.
Edhikku Bahuvrihi? Varno? Illa, you're making another word?
No. I just wrote like another Sakala Shastranam Param Drishtam Yena Saha.
That will not be Drashta, right? That it's not Drishva. Sakala Shastra Para Drashta, like that it might become, right?
Because Drishva is already agential. It shows you the agent. You don't need a Bahuvrihi.
Karmani.
Yeah.
So you don't need it. Correct.
Correct.
Narmalapa Kushala.
Narmaha cha alapaha cha narmalapaha.
Narma, it's a nakaranta.
Narmnaha alapaha.
Narma cha so alapaha is also fine. That's okay. Because the alapa itself is jovial. Narma. Witty. So it's an adjective here.
Narmalapeshu kushalaha, narmalapa kushalaha.
Okay.
Swaminaha hridayam, Swami hridayam, Swami hridayam veti iti, Swami hridaya vedi.
Okay. So veti iti vedi, Swami hridayam veti iti, or Swami hridayasya vedi. That's the inner. Sahityarama Madhava.
Sahityam eva aramaha, Sahityaramaha. Sahityaramasya Madhavaha, Sahityarama Madhavaha.
Okay.
आनन्दग्रन्थिलय आनन्द अदन इರ್ತದೆ आनन्दः एव ग्रन्थिः आनन्दग्रन्थिः आनन्दग्रन्थिः
okay yeah
आनन्दग्रन्थिः अस्याः अस्ति इति आनन्दग्रन्थिला
so ஆனந்தேன கிரந்திலா போட்டேன் ஆனந்தः एव ग्रन्थिः இல்ல so granthi is an adjective to the bashpam here the bashpam so ananda is not in a flow form the granthila the flow of tears is granthila adane gira sorry granthila gihi
okay
so anandena granthila gihi the words are granthila because of anandam abdi
okay
ग्रन्थिः अस्याः अस्ति इति ग्रन्थिला we can't do that
adu undu adan sonnai so that's how it has to be not the way Swati was saying ananda eva grantihi iti yuktam adu seripattu varadhu nenikkren because granthi
the second line I have written this ananda grantihi asyaha asti iti ananda grantila
adu okay
The
what
first
I'm
one
saying
you're saying?
is so the first part is where is the granthi it is not anandam granthi is not ஆனந்தம் எனும் முடிச்சை கொண்டது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்ற ஆனந்தத்தினால அப்படியே பின்னி பின்னி வரக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள் தான் பின்னி பின்னி இருக்குங்கிறோம் புரியுறதா
got it okay
பஷ்யது
पश्यतु दृश्य प्रेक्षणे वादिः कर्तरि लोट् परस्मैपदम् இது பண்ணிருக்கேன் மேம்
okay someone else can go back to Shankari
सकलराजा सकलाः राजानः इति सेनापक्षे कलया सह विद्यते इति चन्द्रपक्षे भवति सकलराजा
adana ezhudala okay fine correct
सकलराजमण्डलं सकलराजानां मण्डलम् इति सेनापक्षे अगेन् सकलराजस्य मण्डलम् इति चन्द्रमण्डलं चन्द्रपक्षे ग्रहः गृह्णाति गतिविशेषणानि इति ग्रहः सकलराजमण्डलस्य ग्रहः इति सेनापक्षे रागुपक्षे च उभयं भवति
so sena grahe lalasa is sena இல்லையா then பாக்கி எல்லாமே அதேதான் just the first two we are changing okay
सकल राजमण्डल ग्रहे लालसा सकल राजमण्डल ग्रह लालसा इति अतिरिक्तम् इति अस्ति अति उपसर्गः रिचिर् विरेचने इति रुधादिगणीयः धातु उभयपदी त प्रत्ययान्तशब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गे भवति अतिरिक्तं पृथु भरत भगीरथाः पृथुश्च भरतश्च भगीरथश्च इति पृथु भरत भगीरथः इति इतरेतरद्वन्द्वः पृथु भरत भगीरथान् अतिरिक्तम् इति अगेन् भगीरथानाम् अतिरिक्तम् इति
भगीरथैः
पंचमी right
न पंचमी तेभ्यः सर्पासिंग
ओके भगीरथेभ्यः अतिरिक्तेभ्यः पंचमी तत्पुरुष अधरितम् इस् अधः इतम् इति भवति अधरितम्
नो अधः इतम् कडेयादु अदु वंदु अधरीकृतम् अंद अधरित इस् ईतच् एदो ओन्नु वरணும் அது விட்டுருங்க
த பிரத்யயாந்த சப்த இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் த பிரத்யயாந்த
I don't think it is த பிரத்யய it should be some it's not something else
it's not adah kritam it is not like that
I don't think so because it comes from adhara
yeah
okay fine that's fine go on go to the next one yeah
राजन्यः राज्ञो अपत्यम् इति राजन्यः राज्ञं राजन् प्लस यत् प्रत्ययान्तः
you can also say राज्ञः अयम् इति राजन्यः That's also fine. You don't need apatyam. So in general, those who belong to the king, which means any kshatriya, any person of royalty.
राजन्यानां चक्रम् इति राजन्यचक्रम् पूर्वेषां
First पूर्वे च ते राजानः राजन्याः पूर्वराजन्यः then पूर्वराजन्यानां चक्रम्.
चक्रम् ओके ओके पूर्वराजन्यानां चक्रं पूर्वराजन्यचक्रस्य चरितम् पूर्वराजन्यचक्रचरितम् अधरितं पूर्वराजन्यचक्रचरितं येन सह इति भवति.
Okay.
So but the rajanyanam chakra means they'll all not be family heirs only will become rajas, right?
Okay.
Not like that.
Not necessary. Any person who is fit can also be there. And if he belongs to the Kshatriya Kulam, then that's fine. He can become a king. He has the right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.